Hi, welcome to the John and Gavin Show. I'm John DeVito and this is Gavin DeGraw.
Dude, my name is Gavin Rosander.
Whatever, it's the same thing. Well, our special guest today is Kenn Lee and we're here to talk about ninjas.
Dude, we're here to talk about equations involving radicals, not ninjas.
It's still the same thing. Kenn Lee, come on out.
Hey everyone! Woo! Hello everyone!
Welcome to the show, Kenn.
Thank you.
So, tell us about equations involving radicals.
Sometimes you need to solve an equation in which a term has a variable and a radicand when...
Whoa, hold on, Ken. What's a rat in a can?
I think you meant radicand.
That's correct, John. A radicand is basically the number inside the radical sign. You know that thing that goes like this?
Oh, that...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
And when you have that, you have to transform the equation into an equivalent equation in which the term with the variable and the radicand is alone on one side of the equation.
So what you're saying is, if you have an equation like -3 plus the square root of d equals 4, you have to get the square root of d by itself, right?
That's right. You want to get the square root in your example by itself on one side of the equation.
Okay, Kenn, so we've got the radical on one side of the equation all by itself. Now what do we do?
Well, the next step is to raise both sides of the equation to the power equal to the index of the radical.
So what, are you supposed to lift up the piece of paper with the equation on it?
Nice.
No! What I mean is your example, you would square both sides of the equation because if you square the root of d, you would end up with d. From there, you just solve it.
So let me get this straight. You start by getting the radical by itself, and then you get rid of the radical by squaring it or cubing it or raising it to whatever power you need to. Then you just solve it?
That's it.
Okay, let's use my examples and solve it. The equation is -3 plus the square root of d is equal to 4.
First, you add 3 to both sides and end up with square root of d equals 7.
And now you square both sides so you end up with d equals 7 squared, which equals 49.
Exactly! Our solution set is 49.
Well, that seems pretty simple. Is it always that easy?
There are a few things you need to watch out for. Not all equations involving radicals have a real number solution. For example, if you have the square root of d equals -1, that equation doesn't have a real number solution. So you square would be the empty set, you know, the 0 with the line in it.
Wow, is that it?
No, there's one last thing. If you ever find yourself doing an equation with a radical, always check the solution in the equation to make sure you have no extraneous solutions.
Awesome.
That was really good, Kenn. How did you know all that stuff?
Well, the book's right here. Hello, everyone!
Welcome to the show, Kenn.
Thank you.
So, tell us about equations involving radicals.
I don't really know.
Cuts. Cut button.
That's it.
Do it again, do it again.
I just fall.
Yeah, we should. Okay, go.
That's it.
So, you know, it's a low budget film, but it'll be good.
It's gonna be like $5 budget film.
Yeah, I was actually wondering how much I better do this.
I don't think we have a
So, I mean, we're
budget.
paying Kenn Lee like $250 million just to come here and do this. So, I mean,
So we're in the hole 2,000. No, how much? How
2
much?
million.
You guys
Yeah,
are
we're in the hole $2,499,995
debt. I think
in
so.
debt.
Yeah.
You
I'm
want
not
to ask your
gonna
mom
use
to
on
help
that
us out
one.
with that, John?
Buy my book, man. Buy my book.
Okay, I'm just gonna film this like forever. So let's just start fighting in this general area.